Hello and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Sunday morning. Robin and I have already been to the market, aka Bel Air, and did our shopping. I think we had a total of like 9 items on our shopping list today. Only 4 of those were veggies. It's that simple of a week coming up. But I'm still preparing 6 meals. So last night, I did prepare the Chinese beef with mushrooms. I had it done and ready for when Robin got home from the Bay Area. She needed it. And she also asked me to open a bottle of wine. It's been that kind of week. But it was good. I will post up the recipe after I do my modifications to it, because I really casual chefed it. Yeah. Used a bunch of, a few leftover vegetable things I had in there, including the snap peas, and I had a couple of carrots, and so forth. So I made it a really good, complex, full meal. I even doctored the sauce. I did some stuff to it. So I'll have that up for you later. Today, and for tonight, I'm going to be starting off with a classic beer bread. And then for dinner, I'm going to be preparing a cheddar and corn chowder. Actually, cheddar is kind of a misnomer with this one because I'm going to be using two cheeses. And I'll get to that in a minute. So that's what I have going on for today and tonight. It's Sunday. It's soup day. All right, let's get to it. There's the hardware for the soup. And we're going to start over here. So here's the hardware for the beer bread. It's the self-rising flour, 3 cups, some sugar, couple tablespoons, 3 or 4 of unsalted butter, which gets poured on top. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And the beer they didn't have my kilt lifter, so we're going with Feather Falls Volcano Mudslide. It's a sweet stout. It's actually one of my favorite stouts outside of not being able to get Mulvaney's Dragoon Stout, which I really love. Moylan's. Oops. I just got, the peanut gallery just corrected me. It's Moylan's. My fault. And I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning to the quick bread. Or actually beer bread. It's not quick bread, but beer bread to give it a kick. So I'll be doing that first to get the house smelling wonderful. Let's go back here. All right. This is the cheese and corn chowder. I had to buy Tillamook butter because they had a sale on my clover and it sold out. So I'm trying Tillamook for the first time. Some people say butter is butter, but no, that's not true. We'll see how it is. That's why the big package is out, not just a small stick. So we got some cheddar cheese. Next to it, I do believe it's Colby Jack. I don't know. I can't forget what it is. I didn't open it up. So we have corn. We'll have some onion, some potato, cream, stock, white wine, a little bit of flour for thickening. And this is where it gets fun. I'm going to be using white pepper, not black. It's got sage. The recipe calls for, I quote, bruised cumin seed. All right, I'll punch them. No biggie. And a little bit of ground nutmeg and a bay leaf. And some parsley for color and that nice little note that parsley gives every meal. So those are all the goodies. That's what I've got going on today and tonight. What about you? How are you going to spend your Sunday? You going to watch the big game between the 49ers and my Lions? Actually, I have no team. So, grew up in Detroit. I should vote for and root for the Lions. I've been here 35 plus years. I've kind of become a 49er fan. But I don't watch football. But I probably will watch this game just because it's those two teams. So, have a great day. eat great food, and have fun cooking.